In this video, I will show you, step by step, how to make ChatGPT analyze a spreadsheet that is far too big to read yourself. This one is 18 megabytes, 541,910 rows, 1 year of orders from a real UK shop. Excel will open it. You are never going to read it. One thing before you upload anything. I deleted the customer column first. What is left is invoices, products, quantities, prices, and countries. There is no person in this file. Then one line of context. Without it, it cannot tell whether a number is revenue or cost, and it will quietly pick one. Now the line that does the work. Check the data before you analyze it. Duplicates, canceled orders, values that cannot be real. And only then, the analysis. Skip that order and you get a beautifully written report about a broken file. It reads exactly like a report about a good one. This last line is the one almost everyone leaves out. What does the data prove, and what is only a possible explanation? A model will hand you both in the same confident voice. Now watch. It writes actual code and runs it on the file. This takes minutes, not seconds, and that is the good sign. It is reading 500,000 rows instead of guessing from the column names. While it works, check whether you are allowed to upload the file at all. Customer names and order values are usually the part your company cares about. If you are not sure, do what I did. Take the identifying column out and keep the numbers. The analysis never needed to know who the customer was. And notice what I did not do. I never told it which columns to use. It reads the file and works that out. The context line is there so it does not guess what a number means, not to hold its hand. One more. If you want to check its work afterwards, ask it to show the code it ran. It will. That is the difference between a tool you can audit and one you just have to trust. "5 minutes, and look where it starts. 541,910 order lines, and an audit of the file before one word about sales. And it ends with 2 separate lists, what the data proves and what is only a possible explanation. Plus 3 charts it drew on the way. All of that came from the order of the questions, not from a clever prompt. Now the follow-up, not which insights are interesting, which ones are worth money. Three levers in pounds. The autumn peak, 3.7 million. Cancellations, 896,800, which is 8.4% of gross sales, and 1 million already coming from 4 export markets. The data quality problem lands 4th on purpose, because the money it can actually point at is smaller. That is an honest answer, not a flattering one. Last one. And this is the habit worth stealing. When a number looks wrong, do not ask for a summary. Make it show you the row. It goes back to the file for this. One record, traced. That is a different question from summarize this, and it gets you a different kind of answer. Invoice 581483 915 80,995 units, 168 469 60. And 0927, invoice C581484. Same product, same price, same quantity, negative. The entire thing reversed. It traced that stock code through the rest of the file, found no replacement order, and then said what it cannot know because there is no customer column. The biggest order of the year earned nothing. Sort this shop by gross sales, and it still sits at the top of the list. So, strip the private columns, make it check before it analyses, make it split proof from explanation. And when a number looks wrong, make it show you the row.